answer. Now, question number 14 of exercise 22.1. Okay. The question says that a particle moving traveling in a straight line passes from a fixed point with a velocity of 1 meter per second. So at O, when we are moving with a velocity of 1 meter per second, it means at O, when velocity is 1 meter per second, time is 0. That is the first piece of information given to me. Acceleration is given by 12t square. Okay, where t is the time after passing O, right? So they are asking for, in A part, they are asking for that I have to find. So they are asking for acceleration at the initial point. Okay, they are asking for acceleration when the body is passing from O. It means t will be taken as 0. Plotting it over here, e equals to 12, 0 whole square. So acceleration is coming 0 meter per second square. Okay. Now B part of the question is saying we have to find its distance from when t equals to 1 and t equals to 3. Okay, we have to find distance when t equals to 1 to t equals to 3. I have to find this distance over here. Now, in order to find distance, I should first have the velocity over here. Okay, because when we will have velocity, only then I can find the displacement, the distance equation. So I can plot the value and I can get my answer. So we know that v equals to integral of a with respect to time. So integrating a, that is this. So this will become 12t cube over 3 plus c. Cancelling it, v equals to 4t cube plus c. Now they have given us at t equals to 0, velocity was 1. So 1 equals to 4, 0 cube plus c. So the value of c is coming 1 over here. So when I will plot it in the velocity equation, this will become 4t cube plus 1. But right now I don't need the velocity equation. What I need the distance. So for that, s equals to integral of v with respect to time. So s equals to integrating this 4t power 4 over 4 plus t plus c. Okay, cancelling these two, s equals to t power 4 plus 4 t power 4 plus t plus c. Okay, at t equals to 0, s will be equals to 0. So when I will plot s equals to 0 and t equals to 0 over here, c will become 0. So the value of s is, in terms of t, is coming t to the power 4 plus t. Okay. Now I have to find the distance at this point and at this point. So at t equals to 1, when I will put the value s equals to 1 to the power 4 plus 1 and s is coming 2 meter. Okay. And when I'm saying at 3, so at t equals to 3, what will I do? I will plot it over here. S equals to t power 4 plus, in place of that I'm writing 3. S equals to 3 power 4 will be 81. 81 plus 3 will be 84 meter. And that's your answer for this part. Okay. Now, the last part is that I have to find average speed between t equals to 1 and t equals to 3. Okay. So what's the average speed formula? Average speed formula is distance over time interval. Okay, so in first second, body has covered 2 meter. In third second, body has covered 84 meter or 84 meter away from the O point. So what is the distance covered in that time duration? It will be 84 minus 2. That will be 82. Okay. And from t equals to 1 to t equals to 3, my time will be equals to 3 minus 1, that is 2 seconds. Okay, so what will be my average speed? My average speed will be 82 divided by 2, and that will be 41 meter per second. This is your answer.